Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a question a lot of investors are asking right now. Is it still worth investing in AI, or are we already entering an AI bubble? AI has been the biggest story in tech for the past 2 years. Companies like Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, and Palantir have seen massive growth, huge revenue increases, and record demand for AI chips, cloud services, and new software models. But with prices climbing so fast, and so much hype surrounding artificial intelligence, many investors are starting to wonder whether the market can keep going or if we're setting up for a correction. One of the strongest parts of the AI market right now is the group of companies actually building and powering the entire AI ecosystem. At the top of the list is Nvidia, which is still the #1 leader in AI chips. Then you have Taiwan Semiconductor, the company that actually manufactures most of the world's advanced AI processors, including Nvidia's. And behind them are the big cloud providers: Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. These companies are spending billions every year to expand their data centers, train larger AI models, and integrate AI into every one of their products. Together, these companies form the core of the AI industry, and any major growth in AI over the next few years is going to depend heavily on them. It's true that a lot of these AI stocks are sitting near their all-time highs, and at the same time, we're starting to see cracks in the economy, slower consumer spending, rising corporate debt, and signs that some sectors are cooling off. So the question becomes, should investors be worried? The honest answer is this: yes and no. Short term, there is definitely risk. When stocks climb this fast, especially in a hype-driven area like AI, any slowdown in earnings or guidance can cause sharp corrections. We've already seen moments where even strong companies like Nvidia or Microsoft drop 10–20% on a single piece of news. If the economy weakens further, high-valuation companies could feel that pressure. But long-term, the picture looks different. The AI leaders Nvidia, Taiwan Semiconductor, Microsoft, Amazon, Google aren't just riding hype. They're generating real revenue from AI, selling real products, and seeing real adoption. And companies around the world are still in the early stages of building the infrastructure they need for AI. That means demand for chips, data centers, and cloud services should stay strong even if the economy slows. So yes, investors should be cautious, especially at these valuations. Pullbacks or corrections are very possible. But the long-term trend behind AI is still extremely powerful. It's not a one-year fad, it's a multi-decade technology shift. So, which stock is best positioned for the next phase of the AI boom? In my opinion, Amazon might actually be the strongest long-term winner. A lot of people focus only on AWS when they think about Amazon's AI strategy. But the company has multiple engines of growth. AWS is still the backbone of global cloud computing, and Amazon is now adding its own AI models, training platforms, and specialized chips like Trainium and Inferentia to reduce dependence on Nvidia. But the real advantage is that Amazon can apply AI across its entire ecosystem: e-commerce, logistics, advertising, streaming, robotics, warehouses, and even new consumer AI tools. Very few companies have that wide of a platform. So even if one area slows down, the others can keep driving revenue. With that said, I don't think Amazon is the only winner. Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, and even TSMC are all positioned extremely well. The AI wave is far from over, and we're still in the early stages of global adoption. Because of that, my strategy would be to buy these strong companies on pullbacks. When the market dips or AI valuations cool off, those moments usually create the best opportunities. Long-term, the demand for AI chips, data centers, cloud infrastructure, and AI software is going to be massive. And the leaders today are likely to stay the leaders going into 2026 and beyond. All right, that wraps up today's breakdown. Make sure to do your own research and invest based on what makes sense for you. Let me know in the comments which AI stock you think will lead going into 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next one.